Hello everyone, how are you? So hope you all are fine. So welcome to the second section for the like in machine learning. So today we will just going to discuss all about like difference between artificial intelligence versus machine learning versus deep learning versus the deep data science, right? So Esther, in the previous part video, so we will just discuss what is the roadmap. To complete the machine learning session. And if you don't seen that video, so please just move back. So while taking the help of the description part, so we'll just find the link of the previous video, so you can just go through that, so that you will just get specific idea that how we will just complete that one and what is the all this algorithm, and you will just know. But in this class, so we will just get idea so about what is artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning and the data science, and what is their behavior, how they are just relate to each other. So today I will just discuss about this thing only, right? Okay, so firstly, moving to first point is what we have to move one point AI. What is AI? Listen. So in every place we are just hearing one point named called the AI, right? AI. But have you ever think like what is AI? Why the first name AI name is coming? Why not everyone not focusing on any things DL part? Yes, so DL means they will just mention you like deep learning parts. So it is also comes under the AI. But why it is AI just come first? Because listen. So here AI is the main part, and these all are the subset of them, right? For example, listen. So let assume I'm just assuming this one is the AI. So here, this one is the AI. Let me just write A and I. So here, this one is the AI. So specifically, what is AI? So let us discuss what is AI. Just do it. So here, AI is nothing but the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. So here, this artificial intelligence is what? So here, this artificial intelligence is nothing but it is a what? So it is it is basically one type of technology. It is a one type technology. Okay. So which will train the model, which will train the model, or else you can say the computer to mimic the human brain. You can say, right? So this is the first part. So it means like you can say it will just train the computer so that it will be behave as a human behavior. Okay, means like anything, any problem which is coming in front of, so in that time, so what we're just doing, so we're just analyzing that problem, right? So what is the possible solution we can just give? So according to that, we are just giving that, right? So similarly, so this is the similarly coming to like next point. So you can just understand like this. So this is nothing but the smart technology. You can say this one is the smart application. Okay, so in nowadays, so you all are like familiar with the chat GPT. Do you know that that is like AI part? So that is the AI application. Okay, so that can perform its own task. Okay, so own task without any help of the human, or you can say without any human interaction, right? So if you will just ask any question to the chat GPT, so he will just give you the answer. So how is it possible? So this is nothing but artificial intelligence. So likewise, that means the human, they just train that applications, okay, and while giving the past data, And right now, if I'll just ask any questions related to like that past data, so automatically he will just give you the answer, right? So that is the point. For example, like if you'll just more like if you want to like know, so what are the applications? What are the applications like Chat GPT? You can say Chat GPT and Netflix. Okay, so Netflix, right? And you can just move like self drive. That one is like Tesla car, self driving cars. Okay, so these all are the things, right? So these are the like AI applications like product recommendations, okay, speech recommendations, so like speak recognitions, right? So movie recommendations. So all these are comes under what? Comes under the AI applications, right? So now I think you already you all got some idea related to the AI part, right? So now next move to that the ML part. So anybody who will just ask you related to the ML part. So here ML is nothing but what? ML is nothing but what? So this part is like a machine learning. Machine learning. So here this one is the one type of tools. Okay, this is the tools. Okay, so where it will be learned from the data. It will be learned from the data. Which type of data? The past data. Okay, so that data can be it's bring as a data set. It means that one is like data set. I think you already know, those who are check like already know the machine learning some basic part. Okay, so I think you already hear the name called the data set. So that data, from that data set only the machine will be learned. And while which will be provided, and from that only, so they will learn. And after that, if we'll just give any new data, and from data only, he will just predict the output, right? He will just predict the output. So similarly, you can say like, okay, this is the things, but but actual point is what? What is the actual work of the machine learning? So specifically, as I just mentioned that machine learning is one of the tools. So it is like what type of tools? It is nothing but the statistical tools. Statistical tools. So in the statistical tools, okay, so we can just analyze the data. We can just analyze the data, and we can just visualize the data. Okay, can visualize the data. We can predict the data, okay, which is nothing the prediction. So we can just forecasting, which is nothing the forecasting, right? So this is the things, okay, so which is comes under the machine learning. And here the machine learning subset of the AI. Clear, everyone? Clear? Okay, so now next point is what? Like if we're just moving to another part is what? So we already covered that part. One is the AI and ML. So let's move to the DL part. So DL is nothing but known as what? DL is nothing but the deep learning. DL is nothing but the deep learning. So here deep learning is what? So deep learning, this one the DL, let. So deep learning, this is the deep learning. Okay, so here deep learning is what? Deep learning is like it is like focuses on the information processing pattern. Okay, it's like human brain, human brain is working. Okay, so like means if some problem is coming, so suddenly we are just means what? You are just searching for that. You are just searching for the solution for that problem only, right? So similarly here the like you can say here the deep learning will be classify the information accordingly, right? So here deep learning work with the last set of the data, right? So here what are they? One is like you can say you can say like if there is a very big data and you are just like very big data set and you are just finding out the accuracy, and you are just using the machine learning algorithm and you are not getting like very good accuracy, so you can just move to the deep learning part. So like many deep learning part is there. So you can just see like, for example, CNN, convolutional neural network. Okay. So recurrent neural network, RNN, and FNN part is there. So I think this is also in our syllabus. Feed forward neural network. It is only move to only one direction. Okay, so I will just explain each and everything related to the FNN part. Okay, so this is the things. But coming to main part. Okay, so in every place, so there is a one concept is coming, what? Data science. Because all this concept comes under what? So comes under the data science part. So these are comes under data science part. So now what is the data science? So data science is nothing but like what? Collection of maximum to maximum mathematics tools. So what is the mathematics tools are there? So you need to know like probability, and you need to know like what is the linear algebra, and you need to know the calculus part. Okay, calculus, or like you can say optimization. And simply, so you are like you want to implement all these things with the help of whom? With the help of the Python. With the help of whom? With the help of the Python programming language. So at first you need to learn the Python programming language. And also you can just work with like a Java programming and R programming part. But point is what? So the Python program have lot of libraries. Okay, so lot of tools, so that you can just very freely work with the Python programming as compared to the R programming and like Java. But if you will just look for the like statistical analysis part, so it is very good for like R programming. You can just move to the R programming part. But no worry, you can just move to like Python programming. It is a lot of sufficient things. Okay, you can do anything so like in Python. So in today, my aim is what? I want to just cover what is the AI and ML and DL and data science. So hope I just completed each and everything. So you can just note out. So my aim is what? I want to like explain what is like AI and what is the ML and what is the deep learning and what is the data science and what are the relation in between them. Okay, so I think you already get what are the points. Okay, so if you're having any doubt, so you can just ask me in the comment box. Okay, so that I can just easily just clear it out, or else you can just go through that description part. You will just find the WhatsApp group link. You can easily join that, and you can easily get my number. Okay, so that you can don't call me. Okay, you can just directly put the message, so that I can just in that same group only you can just drop the message, so that many peoples are present in that group. So any of them, they will just solve your problem, right? So this is the things, and please try to let's practice a lot of things. Okay, so right now I just make you make these things very easy for you. Okay, so your work is like what? So right now you already know what is the things, and but you have to just take the help of the internet. Okay, and you have to collect the resource accordingly, and you have to move to that you have to just study that one, and accordingly you have to just practice lot of things, right? So here, so if I just preparing for any semester exam. Okay, so right now I'm just preparing for the gate, but if I just preparing for any semester, yeah, for any interview, so yes, so maybe the person, they will just ask you what is the relation of in between all these things. Okay, so you have to just know this firstly, right? So in the upcoming class, so we'll just move to that. So what is the types of machine learning? Okay, because our focus is what? Our focus is machine learning. What is the machine learning part? Clear? So if you will just like my video, if you will just like my video, so please click the like button and please just do subscribe. And if it will be if you are thinking like this is very informative for you, and please just do share for, so that your friend will be get help from this resource. And if any doubt you are getting, so you can just ask me, and I think it is much more sufficient, or whatever things I just discussed. So if any doubts, you can just ask. That's all. So bye bye. So we'll just meet next class. Okay, bye.